to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and I have two of my neighbors here. I have Colin and Matthew, who both love to help me when I cook. And today I am so excited about today's video. We're going to show you how to make some of those fancy designer drinks that you might pay, $5 for at various drive-thrus. And if you're thinking that you might want to make a fancy frothy coffee drink but you don't have a frother, Matthew is going to show you how to do the frothing at home without a fancy frother. We're going to start by making our pumpkin spice latte. The first step is to make a whipped coffee. The whipped coffee is made by simply whipping together equal parts instant coffee, sugar, and water. We're adding a little bit of pumpkin pie spice and cinnamon to enhance the pumpkin flavor. And we are using a stand mixer to whip together this mixture, but you can do it very easily with a hand mixer, or you could even put it in a jar and shake it pretty vigorously. When the mixture is nice and thick, we're going to add a little bit of pumpkin puree. We are then going to build our pumpkin latte by combining our whipped mixture with some milk. We're going to use frothed milk, but you could also use sweetened condensed milk or ice cream or really any kind of creamy mixture. And you can also top it with a little bit of whipped cream. And although you can purchase a specialty frother for your milk, you can also make it very easily at home. Simply put it in a covered container and shake it gently until nice little bubbles form. You could also use an immersion blender to do this. For those who don't like pumpkin, a caramel latte can be made by leaving the pumpkin spice out of the whipped coffee. Combine the whipped coffee with some caramel syrup and some frothed milk, and you have a homemade caramel latte. And for a non-coffee drink, we are going to make a Copycat vanilla bean frappuccino. This super yummy drink only uses ice cream, milk, ice, and vanilla syrup. For the vanilla syrup, you could either use a store-bought version or a homemade version. We're using our own homemade vanilla bean syrup, which is so simple to make. It's just simple syrup with a little bit of vanilla and vanilla bean added. And this drink is really just a vanilla shake, but the vanilla syrup gives it that extra kick of vanilla. And it's also a pretty easy drink for the kids to make on their own. Does it taste like Starbucks?
Not really, but it's so good.
Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For the recipes and article, go online to PinalCentral.com.